Hi, my name's Joanne, and I am one of the tutors here at Wyzant. And there's a problem here that I wanted to address. And it was, what are the slope and y-intercept of the below problem? The equation that's written is y equals negative 1/5 x plus 3. And this equation is already written in a very convenient form. It's called the slope-intercept form. And the slope-intercept form sets the equation so that the coefficient, the number in front of x, is called the slope. And the number that is added to your equation here, which is represented by b in this equation, is called the y-intercept. So looking at what is written here, we can see that the coefficient of x, the number connected to x here, is negative 1/5. So our slope is going to be negative 1/5. So that's kind of nice that they put it in this format for us. And then the y-intercept here is number 3. It's what it correlates to b over here. So that's the value of 3. So our y-intercept has a value of 3. Now, those are words that might not mean anything. So what I decided to do here is I've printed out the line. This is actually the equation of the line. And I want to show you what this looks like. So we have a line here. This red line is what y equals negative 5th x plus 3 looks like if you were to plot it on a graph. Now the slope is the angle here. It's the rate of change of this line, specifically defined as change in y over change in x. So what you do is it's how much does your y change for every change in x. So if we look at this, we go down in y. Here, we go down in y and we go over in x. So down is a negative direction, over is positive this way. So our slope here is negative. So looking at this problem, our slope is negative 1/5. That means I go down once and then over 5 spaces. Down once, over 5. That's what's the slope. Now the y-intercept means where does this line cross over your y-axis? Where does it intercept the y? And we found the value to be 3. And on our graph, if you look here, here it is. It's right here at 3. So that's what this means. Not just that we found the slope and the intercept, but we want to be able to understand what is it that we're finding here. So that is the answer to this question. Have a good day.